Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the Business Promote channel. Today, we're going to talk about a game-changing website that every sneakerhead and streetwear enthusiast needs to know about, msneakers.com. If you're a true sneaker lover, you know how frustrating it can be to hunt down those elusive kicks you've been eyeing for months. From limited releases to resellers jacking up prices, it's a constant struggle. But fear not, because msneakers.com has got your back. This website is a one-stop shop for all the latest and greatest sneakers from top brands like Jordan, Dior, Balenciaga, Yeezy, New Balance, and more. Now it's time to show you the video unboxing of the Air Jordan 4 that was sent to me by msneakers.com. But msneakers.com isn't just about sneakers, they've also got an impressive collection of streetwear and apparel that will have you looking fresh from head to toe. Whether you're a fan of bold graphics, sleek minimalism, or vintage vibes, their selection has something for everyone. One of the best things about msneakers.com is their commitment to authenticity. They go above and beyond to ensure that every single item they sell is 100% genuine. No fakes, no replicas, just the real deal. And if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, they offer an unconditional refund within 48 hours, no questions asked. But wait, there's more. msneakers.com is currently running an incredible giveaway where you can win free shoes just by joining their Discord server. That's right, free kicks just for being part of their community. Imagine the bragging rights you'll have when you rock those exclusive kicks that everyone's been dying to get their hands on. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to msneakers.com and start exploring their incredible selection of sneakers and streetwear. And don't forget to join their Discord server for a chance to win those free shoes. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Remember, the link to msneakers.com will be in the description box below, making it easy for you to check them out.